In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access a Shopify 3-month trial. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. Make sure you are on the official Shopify website before you begin, since this is where the trial sign-up happens. Once the page loads, you will see an option to start a free trial. Enter an email address in the sign-up field, then click Start Free Trial. Use an email address you can access right away, because Shopify may ask you to verify it during the setup process. Next, you will create your account. Follow the prompts to finish setting up your login details. Take a moment to choose a secure password and save it somewhere safe. This account will become the admin login for your store, so you want it to be protected. After your account is created, you will reach the part where Shopify asks about billing. Choose the monthly billing cycle. This matters because the promotional deal is typically tied to monthly billing. If you see an option to skip parts of the setup, you can use that to move forward and focus on getting your store created first. The goal here is to get into the Shopify admin so you can start building. Now it is time to create your store. When Shopify asks what you want to sell or where you want to sell, select Online Store. Then create your store name. Choose a name that matches your brand, and keep it simple and easy to remember. If your first choice is not available, try a small variation until Shopify accepts it. Finally, review the pricing details of the 3-month offer. You will be charged $1 immediately for your first month. Then you will be billed $1 for the second month and $1 for the third month. After the third month, your plan will revert to the standard monthly price for your selected plan, which is commonly around $39 per month for the basic plan. It is a good idea to note that renewal date so you are not surprised later. And that is all there is to it.